Hi, today I'm going to go over how to put on a BNC compression fitting on Siamese cable. Down here on the table you'll see a roll of Siamese. Siamese basically is RG59 with 18 gauge for the power, two wire 18 gauge. I'm going to begin by separating the power and the RG59. I personally like to just shave off this little edge here from the molding from the factory to give it a good easy application when you're doing the stripping. I have a couple of kinds of strippers down here. One you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot, and over here you'll see where there's RG6, RG59, and then there's a small other little hole up there, and that's where you would put in there to expose the bare wire, the center copper core on the Siamese. Up here, may as well mention now, these are more for crimp-on connections for your RG6 and RG59 if you're going to use a crimp-on style connector. We're going to be using a compression connector. Here is a compression connector. Ours already has a center pin right in there, so it's considered a one-piece connector. When it's applied properly, this base piece here showing the black, that will compress into it and hold the Siamese in place. So I'm going to use what I prefer, the small little stripper. So I'm going to put it on there a 1/4 inch, just so it's pretty much flush, maybe just a little bit over the top, and then you spin it around a few times and pop it off. That gives you that clear, clean bare center core. Then you put it on again. The back little fitting, just maybe a little bit hair underneath the flush area there. Spin it again a few times, cutting the outer sheath. And let me put that one more time. And then now you've exposed the braided part, and you're ready to apply it. One more thing I like to do, you don't have to do this, but I kind of just barely cut into the outer sheath just a little bit, being very careful not to touch the white insulator. It doesn't matter if you touch the braided part. Now that makes it real easy to slide on the connector completely. Once you put it on there, push it down nice and hard, and if you turn it you can feel where you're pressing against that white portion. Compression connector, you put it in here, and it pretty much only goes in one way. You squeeze all the way down, and now you see where that black part went away. Squeeze it in there. It's ready to go. Here is your BNC connector to connect right on to camera. Cameras have female, and these are always male. Thank you.